The leaves on your peacock plant could be curling for a number of reasons. Let's investigate and get to the bottom of this. Peacock plant or Calathea makoyana leaves curl in response to dehydration and is a defense mechanism to reduce transpiration rate and avoid further water loss. You'll need to watch the other signs that indicate that may be causing the problem before trying to treat it. Here are the most common 5 reasons your peacock plant leaves curling. The most common reason for Calathea leaves curling is dehydration. Peacock plant prefers soil that is consistently moist. Be sure you're not over or underwatering your plant. Keep a consistent watering schedule. Water when the top 1 to 2 inch of the soil is dry. Check for droopy leaves with yellowing and browning on your Calathea. If you see these signs, it is underwatered. Give it plenty of distilled or filtered water until you see the water draining from the holes in the bottom. If underwatering is not the reason, then consider the level of humidity. Calathea is a tropical plant, and in their natural environment used to high levels of humidity ranging from 50% to 60% and more. So it will thrive in more humid environments. Increase the humidity around the plant. The first thing you should do is mist the leaves with a spray bottle to dehydrate the foliage. For a longer term solution, you can use pebble tray filled with water or using a humidifier. Another common reason your Calathea's leaves are curling could be due to tap water. Tap water contains salts, chlorine, minerals, and fluoride, all of which can build up in the soil of your plant, causing the tips of the leaves to burn, turn brown, and curl up. Try using filtered water, or if you can collect and use rainwater for your plants, that would be great. Leaving your water in an open container or sink overnight before using can help relieve some of the chlorine. In the wild, Calathea plants grow under the canopies of larger trees, so they have adapted to more dappled shade. When growing a Calathea indoors, you should make sure it has bright but indirect light and ensure that it is out of the way of direct light at midday. Too much direct light will scorch the leaves and cause the pattern to fade. It also stops the foliage from absorbing light and creating energy. Too much water. Overwatering your plant will waterlog its roots, which cause root rot. This leads to dehydration because the roots are damaged and can no longer absorb the nutrients or water. Browning on the tips of the leaves is the first indication of overwatering on Calathea. The soil will have a strong, unpleasant odor, often a clear sign of root rot. Wet soil can cause your plant's leaves to curl. Make sure you allow time for the top 2 inches of the soil to dry before watering again. If the soil hasn't dried up within 2 weeks, repot your Calathea to a new pot with fresh soil. Make sure your pot has a drainage hole designed to drain excess water. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.